Hello! Today we're going to make struffoli, like our grandma's struffoli from Italy. And we start out with a cup and a half of flour. You can make this struffoli anytime, Christmas time, Valentine's Day, San Valentino. That's what we're going to do this for. We're going to make a heart out of all the struffoli balls. Struffoli balls are honey balls, and they taste really delicious. Everybody loves them. It's great for entertaining. So we have a cup and a half of flour. Make a little well and put 1 teaspoon of baking powder in it with a pinch of salt. And then we stir it around a little bit. Add some semi-melted butter. Make it a little like grainy when you stir it around. And do this all by hand. It makes the balls a little lighter, I think, than mixing them in a mixer. Then you add the 3 egg yolks and a whole egg. Put a shot of anisette in here. And also put a half a teaspoon of vanilla. Now the sugar goes in. And stir it around until you get one big bowl. You could use your hand to bring it around into a bowl. And after a little while, it comes into a nice bowl. And you can put it in the refrigerator like you would a cookie dough, or you can leave it out for a little while. But Grandma always left it out for just a little while, and then we'd make these long batons out of it. So you take some of your dough and you roll it onto a surface that has just a little bit of flour on it, and you make these batons like this. You roll them, and you make them pretty thin, about 1/2 inch in diameter, like about this long. Okay? Batons, cut the little batons into these tiny little pillows. And then you put them on a wax paper. Try to keep them a little bit separated, and make little pieces of wax paper for as much as you want to put in your hot oil at the same time. Put them on one sheet of little wax paper. One long baton is about as much as you'd want to put on one sheet of wax paper. Okay, so now you have them on these wax papers, and you can put them in the pot. Try one little ball first. Make sure it sizzles and starts to float to the surface of about 1.5 inches of oil at the bottom. You don't want to put it too high, the oil. You want the temperature to be just right so that it's not going to burn them, but they get to be golden color. And you let them fry for about 30 seconds. Now I'll put these in. And try to be careful, make sure it's away from you, and then you stir them quickly. Okay, and they are nice and done. So this is your struffoli without honey. They're little round balls. When you pop them open, they're beautiful little donuts. Now you can use another pot to put your honey and your sugar in. but you can pour out the oil into a measuring cup like this, and then you could use the same pot. And then you can pour about 8 ounces of honey for this amount of Struffoli, and 2 tablespoons of sugar you can add to it, and bring it to a boil. Tablespoons of sugar in the honey, and boil it up. This is how it's boiling, the honey and the sugar together, and then you just pour your Struffoli into it and stir it around. Try not to break them. Now I'll pour these into a large plate. This is the heart-shaped Struffoli balls coated with honey, and then you sprinkle them with the colored candy sprinkles. And you're ready for St. Valentine's Day. Be my Valentine. Squisito.